What's going on, everybody? Dean here with RC Driver. Hope you're all having a great day. What I've got in front of me today is the Ernst Ultimate Hobby Stand. This thing is absolutely killer. It's big, designed to work on 10th scale and 8th scale vehicles, if not more. I think you could probably even fit a 6th scale on here. So I'm going to tell you about all the cool features of this, show you a couple vehicles on it, and everything it can do. If you pick yourself up an Ernst Ultimate Hobby Stand first, it comes in this sturdy box. Corrugated cardboard, holds everything you need, and I'll just go over some of the features here on the box before I bring it on over to the stand itself. It's got multi-position work rests. This is ideal if you've got a vehicle like a Traxxas Slash or Slash 4x4 that's got that high center of gravity chassis. It really holds it in place, locks it into place. Rotating platform, again, that top piece spins around. It's got some non-slip foam pads. I have not installed those yet, but they are great. It's got 2 height options. I've used it with the lower option. I just found it a little easier to work on it that way. And over in the front and toward the center, it's got some magnetic part bins. So if you put some little screws, body clips, nuts on there, they're not going to go anywhere. They're not going to roll away. It's also got 2 big compartments on the left and right side. Hold various parts while you're working on or building a vehicle. What I do think is super cool though, when you open up the compartment here on the side, that's where these multi-position work rests are stored, so they stay with you. So it's real easy to put them in whichever directions you need or want, several positions. Again, depending on the vehicle you have, this will help put the vehicle on an angle. So if you're working on it, you can angle it away from you, angle it towards you, angle it up, angle it down if you want to do something like this. So to hold it in place depending on what you want to do. All right, so I've got my Ultimate Hobby Stand here from Ernst. I've got my old school Durango 8th scale truggy. Pick it up, put it on top, fits perfectly, spins around nice and easy. So again, if you're wrenching on a car, it's up here, it's secured, you can easily get to everything. And again, I've got a screwdriver here, I've got some tools here. Pick it up, take the screw out, and bam, you can put it down. Magnetic little holders right there so the screw won't go anywhere. Again, we can take the car down, open up here. I'll put the tall ones here, I'll angle it away from myself just so you can see a little better. There. Bam. So again, if I was working on it at the track, I'd have it angled toward me. Let's say you don't want the vehicle angled, but you want it locked into place. You've got your multi-position work rests, all 4 the same size. Bam, it locks your chassis into place. Now again, depending on the width of your chassis, might work better than, might work better on a narrower chassis than a wider chassis. As you can see, it's locked in on the back, but not so much on the front. But still, it's not really going anywhere. Just to reiterate some of the key points, there's plenty of little compartments here to hold your parts. We've got a small parts compartment here. We've got a small one back there and 2 large ones here. Again, on our magnetic bins there. And again here, this is where you can put all your tools, X-Acto hobby blade, some screwdrivers, a MIP wrench right there. And again, over here on the side, easily hold your standoffs. So if you want to take this to the track, easy enough, take those parts out. As you can see, I've already got that piece there, the other riser. Put that there, and everything would fit right back in the box nice and easily. If you are a true hobby enthusiast, you are working on your RC cars all the time, you are building RC cars all the time like myself, you absolutely should pick up one of these. It makes building cars and rebuilding cars really easy. I think every hobby shop that repairs and builds RC cars needs one of these on hand, to be completely honest. It's that helpful between the risers that help lock the chassis into place, all the compartments, the magnetic strips that keep parts from bouncing out and rolling off. Ernst has done a really nice job and really made something that, we don't think, oh man, I really need a quality car stand. When you start using this, you absolutely realize what you've been missing. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video today. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up. Drop us a comment below. What do you think about the Ernst car stand? And as always, thank you for watching this video here at RC Driver.